Now we all know that the Android stock keyboard is pretty decent, but there are some issues that we struggle with, like the screen size, the size of our fingers, and the very irritating autocorrect. But thank God, there are some alternatives like SwiftKey and Swipe. We're going to show you all those and my ridiculous goggles.
Changing the keyboard is not that difficult. Once you have installed the apps, go to Settings, go to Language and Input and choose the keyboard of your choice. Alternatively, go directly to the app and enable it.
Is ungli ki कीमत, some dialogue, I don't remember. Okay, but we're talking about Swipe, where you can actually type using just one finger, and if one finger typing is your thing, Swipe is what you need to install on your Android phone. Free as well as a paid version of this particular app that you can use. And yes, you can swipe your way through some complex words like millionaire. I want to be one day. But if you don't know what you're typing, this might slow you down, which is applicable in my case.
Swipe is absolutely amazing. It can read gestures. Just swipe over the letters and most of the time you will get the results you want. Additionally, you can switch between themes, making the experience memorable.
Then there is SwiftKey. No, not the car, but SwiftKey is the keyboard to end all the keyboards. It has the swipe thing that we discussed earlier. It has predictive text. It has dictionary. And you know the best of all? It is customizable, and that is insane. You can dock, undock it, turn it upside down. You can split it for only the thumb use. And that's about it. Go ahead, install SwiftKey. By the way, I think it is cooler than my colorful goggles.
SwiftKey is the Batman of all keyboards. There is nothing you cannot do. Keeping aside the predictive text and dictionary, the best feature is the wide range of themes and customization you can do with this. You can resize the keyboard to suit your finger size, undock the keyboard and place it anywhere you want. Make it compact to save space, or the best part, if you like typing with your thumb, you can split it in two. And it works like a charm.
There you have it. Now use these alternatives and you can become a Android keyboard Pehlwan. I meant to say ninja, but Pehlwan is pretty cool. I gotta go. Actually, people are looking at this. I don't know why. I think they're pretty cool.